Hello there, my friend, and welcome to day number 4 of this 30-day content creation strategy, where I take you by the hand and walk you step by step through ideas that you can use to create content to help you build your business. Now, if you missed the rest of the videos, you can get access to the playlist by clicking the link in the description. And all you have to do is model what I'm doing and make it your own for your business. However, if you're interested in learning where I'm learning from my 7-figure coach and mentor, then you want to make sure you stick around to the very end, because I have some exciting news to share with you and a freebie as well. Okay, so day number 4 is where you can talk about the type of compensation plan that you have, right? Or in my case, what we're told to talk about is the idea of creating multiple passive income streams. Okay, so with this opportunity, you can actually create multiple passive income streams at the same time while building your brand. So what do I mean by that? You get to promote one page, right? And that page is linked to your brand. So mine is Partner with Angela. So every time you see me, I'm promoting Partner with Angela, right? Now, as people opt in, as you will opt into my list, you then will get a series of follow-up emails where I can actually give you more information about this opportunity. And then later on, I can share with you other opportunities that I'm interested in, because not everybody's going to be able to afford this opportunity. I may have other things that will be a better fit for you. And the other way that we earn a passive income with this opportunity is by the software that you use to host our program. There's a free option that works wonders, which I'm using the free option. But every lead that I generate who decides to create to join me actually gets to come in under me, right? So all the customers I've had in this opportunity, when they set up the system, they automatically link to me. So if later on, when they start to make money and they choose to access new features that they don't have access to now, they choose to upgrade, then I can earn a monthly recurring income. Okay, so in the past, you would have seen me with this shiny object syndrome, promoting different opportunities simultaneously. And that was really frustrating and confusing for most people, because they'll ask me for a link and I'll send them a different link, right? So this is a better way to do it, where we promote just one link, we brand ourselves, and then in the back end, we get to build our list, create a relationship with them, get them to know, like, and trust us, and then we're able then to share other opportunities which might be a good fit. And you will see that this is how the top marketers out there dominate leaderboards, right? Because they've taken the time to build an email list, to nurture that list, and by sending an email, one email, they're able to generate loads of leads and sales for whatever opportunity that they choose. Okay, so let me know if you have a system like this that you can use to generate passive income, or if you're doing what I was doing before, where you're kind of promoting different opportunities simultaneously, which can be very, very hard work. Okay, the first passive income stream that I ever earned was through systems and softwares, where I'd refer people to systems like the system that we're using right now. And by paying a monthly subscription, they pay a monthly subscription, then I can earn anywhere between 20-50% monthly recurring commissions, right? So this opportunity is great to build your email list, to brand yourself, to get that cash flow going, get instant daily pay, and then in the back end, you can set up multiple streams of income as well. So let me go ahead and share with you one of the testimonials of our members who is using the system, and then I'll actually go into our community and introduce you to our community as well, and show you how they're getting on there. Okay, so let's go James. Let's hear what James has to say.
Hey guys, welcome to Digital Marketing. My name is James Bean, and I come from the insurance industry. And I can admit, it was really tough for me to make consistent income, especially with all the chargebacks and the responsibility of chasing people to pay for something that they really couldn't afford. I quickly realized that I needed a reliable business that would give me 100% profit, no monthly fees, residual income, and ownership of my entire business with an automated system that worked for me while I was sleeping. I came across digital marketing and this changed my life. I was able to make $600 my first day of starting this career, and within my second week, I earned over $2,500. All I was doing was following a simple step-by-step system, working 2 hours a day. And it just taught me how to market on the most popular platforms in the world. Now, I don't know what you do for a living, but digital marketing is a $1 billion a day industry. So there's enough money for everyone.
Okay, so thank you so much. I appreciate you, James, for sharing your experience. Let me go ahead and introduce you to our community. We have over 34,000 members in our community, 34,819 members, and we have live coaching and mentorship sessions. Today is August the 14th, and we have a free webinar going, and then we have special mentorship with Jessica as well, right? So we have a mentorship call going and a free webinar today. So we have 2 of those. And tomorrow we have mentorship, another 6-figure earner, Lizelle, and we have technical support. So every single week we have live coaching and mentorship. And here is just bonuses that we have. Everything here is extra, right? When you choose to jump on board our program, you get access to a different platform where you get access to all your training, right? But this here, our community is extra. Everything that you have here is absolutely extra. Now, let me just introduce you to some of the people that are sharing the wins in our community, okay? Amy, just now, she posted her first lead today. She's on day 3. Cecilia, July 15, what a beautiful reflection. 15 days and $6,600 later. She's in South Africa, so that's 116,000 rands, okay? But what got me this morning was not the rands in my bank account. It was the mama in the mirror looking at me, demanding a high five and a huge smile that said, well done, okay? Well done for pushing through the hard days. Well done for showing up even when it was hard. Well done for celebrating the wins as much as the big, small wins. Well done for believing you. That is absolutely amazing, Cecilia. Beautiful. Christelle, 8 hours ago, 2,300 in 12 hours. Woohoo! As a South African, that is 42,000 rand. Oh my word, that is what I used to earn working 2 jobs for 2 months. This is absolutely amazing. Okay, congratulations. Daryl Hannah, 54 minutes ago, $600 away from 200,000. While doing content this morning, just realized that a $900 commission that came in, it could be one customer away from 200,000 with the program, right? So this is just him sharing a screenshot of that commission coming in, right? Congratulations, Daryl, absolutely amazing. $900 shy of 200,000, okay? No customer yet. Leads, the power of knowing the perfect customer. Wake up with a bang, 600 and 300. Wow, I'm speechless. Woke up this morning with a 600 and a 300. I'm so grateful and blessed. It's so awesome to be part of this community. That's Karen, 20 minutes ago. Congratulations. Let me see. Jacqueline, 12 hours ago, 1,800 day. I made 900 while I was up with my daughter's homeschool curriculum night. And another 900 while blowing up balloons for her birthday party tomorrow. I love these activities, okay? Daniel, 3 hours ago, congratulations, $200 ding. Upgraded all the way from Botswana and South Africa. So she's in South Africa, and my person who bought from me was in Botswana. She's 1 month in and had $300 sales. So she's celebrating her win and congratulating one of our members as well, okay? I'm so excited. I've reached 1,000 TikTok followers. Congratulations, Mary. Growing, let me see. Tony, $2,300 this week and 129 leads. What a great week with this business, y'all. I'm 61 years old. I work full-time and I'm not tech savvy. Congratulations, Tony. My first sale within 24 hours, Lee Ann, 7 hours ago. Hi, guys. I purchased at the launch, but I made my first sale in the first 24 hours. Way, yay, way, yay, yay. Dong Dong number 2. Hi everyone, I'm super excited to announce I got my second sale today. Just woke up and sold by the Ding Dong email. Guys, let's keep at what we train. It really works. That's Friday, 2 days to go, okay? Ayanda, first sale in 4 days of faceless marketing. I've been doing faceless posts on TikTok account, and last night was my day 4, and I made my first $300 sale, 100% profit. Daniel, 24 hours ago, $300 ding while arriving at the airport. My family holiday is over, but my business is always working in the background. I hope you feel appreciated every day, how you've changed our lives, okay? Patricia, 24 hours ago, from 0 to 1,000 followers on my new TikTok. Congratulations. I'm proud of myself. I gained 1,000 followers in 1 week. Absolutely amazing. Dory, 900 ding while day 30 training on school. I'm super excited and proud of myself because this is the first time I've been this consistent with anything. I literally have found what I've always been looking for. I've actually found what I've always been looking for as well. Leanne woke up this morning to a $100 sell. Thank you for this amazing system. I'm excited to help this person change his life. Praise to God, our Father. Chelsea, 5 hours ago, congratulations, $100 ding before getting into bed. And Khalif, 13 hours ago, $600 just plugging in. Thank you for training last night. I was fired up and put in action. You taught us what you taught us, and that's it. First sale, Adila, 6 hours ago. I made my first sale yesterday. So we have countless, over 14,000 posts here of people every day sharing how this opportunity has changed their life. So I want to invite you to click the link below to grab your free copy of our 10K in 30 days guide. I will send it to you. Put your best email because you're going to get it via email, and respond to my email. Let's have a conversation. Let's see if this is the right fit for you, because I want to help you win, okay? Because when you win, I win, our community wins together. So thank you so much for watching this video to the very end. And I'm just going to introduce you to another one of our team members and then finish off the video for the day.
Hey guys, it's Jenny Caniza from the Philippines, and I am 25 years old. So I've been in, digital growth community 3 months ago. I joined last December 2023, and it really changed.
Never mind, the internet is not working for that one. But anyway, hit that subscribe button and subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss out on more training from me. I've been Amazing Angela from partnerwithangela.com, wishing you the best year ever. Thank you. Have a fantastic day.